Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Thursday, and it's October 6th. We got just one economic news scheduled for today, and that is the weekly jobless claim. So last week, we had 254,000 people apply for unemployment. Forecast is supposed to only go up about 256,000, and actually dropped down to 249,000. So very good numbers here. We haven't seen these numbers in quite some time at 249,000. We've been lately been in 250 range, which is good because we've been kind of in a long drought there, about 260 range. So very good staying under 300,000 people applying for unemployment. So that's kind of indicating that jobs are improving here. They're also kind of saying that with where the economy's at, people don't want to retain their employees. So want to make sure that they have them for where things are going. Stock market's a little mixed. They did all start off down negative, but since later in the morning or close to noon East Coast time, the S&P's kind of taken off a little bit, and it's up a little bit. It's not up a lot, but it's up a little bit. Part of this is we got some again, earnings reports are coming out. Walmart kind of painted a not so rosy picture for 2017. And then oil has been doing well. It's up just above $50 a barrel right now. And then after marketing, or after the closing hours for the stocks and bonds, the G20, the central bank presidents will be meeting in Washington D.C. for a meeting. They'll be discussing international economics as to internationally where things are at. Also, I guess they're looking at trying to find ways on how to stop these phantom shells or phantom corporations, where people are trying to set up corporations to hide their money and stuff like that to avoid taxes and everything else. So they're looking at different avenues of that in that nature as well. So that'll be after after the close of the stock market and the bond market as well. So let's go take a look here at the bond market. And right now, kind of like yesterday, we came in, touched the 100-day moving average and pulled up. Today we were down a bit more, and then we pulled up. Yesterday this happened kind of late in the day. This happened primarily because late in the day the ECB basically came out and said that the rumors about them tapering on their QE purchases is false. So they said those rumors were false, and as soon as that came out, boom, the bond market improved. Today, because the stock market's down a little bit and kind of went in a different direction, they're kind of tomorrow the jobs numbers coming out, they just don't want to be in a risky position. So bonds usually are their safety net. So they'll look at maybe putting money into the bond market in ahead of tomorrow's jobs reports. Also, the Fed will be purchasing treasuries and mortgage-backed securities as well today. That will help us out in terms of creating demand for it as well. All right, folks. So right now the bond. Yesterday, because it happened late in the day, I would say pricing might be mixed today. So depending on the investor, if they did give a price worse, if they were pricing us way down here, it would be probably just the same. I would say it's almost the same as where we came in at. So it depends on the investor. I'd kind of say mixed primarily because late in the day it improved. This morning was also down, so they may keep it down. But I think you'll see some improvement, at least some course today with the rates, depending on where the investor is, if it's on the East Coast or West Coast. Hopefully that makes sense. It just depends where the stock market was at or the bond market was at, and what would determine the rates here. All right, folks, I hope you guys have a great day. And again, tomorrow is the big day. Today will be the jobs numbers that the Bureau of Labor Statistics will be releasing. That will kind of alleviate some volatility this week. All right, have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.